Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 7611, and this is the Racer's Police Car. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, if you like these LEGO Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing, because I'm planning on doing one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I've done one of these a day for the past pretty good while, actually. So there's a bunch of them already up, and there's plenty more on the way. If you're interested in this particular set, there's a link in the description, or you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also, if you Alright, that's super weird. Why do I have 4 rims, or 5 rims for 4 tires? Oh, there's also the brick set link if you're interested in just finding out information about the set itself. Now, this particular set, and I think this is the 5th of these Racers sets that I've done in a row. I've been liking these a lot. And these, they've had some interesting things going on with them. That's kind of cool. It's sort of a serious hood piece, right? I guess maybe, though, this will be the roof? I don't know, we'll see. So there's one really cool thing about this particular set, and I don't know if you noticed it or not, but check this out. The little kid in me really liked this one. Glow in the dark. I was super excited about that. So let's take a look at this thing and see how it looks. Now, I was curious about the glow-in-the-dark part, and so I looked online, and as near as I can figure, there's only 2 sets that, according to Brick Set, there's only 2 sets that have this particular glow-in-the-dark piece. There's this one, and then there's another Racers set that has it, another small one. But I think this is probably the easiest and least expensive way, or least expensive set to get this. And this set, according to Brick Set, was like a free giveaway set that you got with some newspaper. So it's kind of cool. So, anyway, I'm actually super excited to try this out. And it looks like they give you an extra glow-in-the-dark piece too. But we'll see if you actually need it or not. So for that, this goes like so. And then we have another part of the bumper. It's looking like. And then this is going to be, this will be the rear bumper. So, got that. I got that. That goes right there. So that's the front and the back. And then, so for the front, we're going to have 2 wheel wells, like so, and then 2 more of these on the sides, and then this goes right here. And then it's kind of interesting. This is an interesting looking police car. But I'm liking it so far. I got that. And then this is like the back piece. So that gets us to there. Right? And then this piece goes right there. And then we get our 2 glow-in-the-dark pieces. which is kind of cool. And then we put the lights on. And we line them up so they're lined up the right way. Huh. This is an interesting looking car. Alright. And then we pop the wheels on. It's definitely like a flat kind of car. It's not like thick. But check it out. That's pretty a cool looking car. Huh. So extra piece wise, you actually did pretty good extra piece wise. You get an extra rim. You get 2 of the 1x2 tiles, the blue one and the red one, and then you get an extra glow in the dark tile, and you get an extra black cheese slope. So that's not bad at all. Kind of a cool looking car. What do y'all think about the glow in the dark stuff? Let me see if I can get this thing to glow in the dark any. See if I can show you all the glow in the darkness of it. Can y'all see that at all? Maybe a little bit. It's kind of tough to see. Anyway, so it does at least glow in the dark. Anyway, it's kind of cool. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.